Hey, thank y'all so much for tuning into the channel today. Today we will be going over 4 ways to make income online. You will need to follow this all the way through to see all four. And then at the end, I'll give my recommendation on which one that I recommend in order for you to get started. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Again, my name is Artiz Strouds. I am the life coach and entrepreneur, and here to teach you guys how to, make money online as virtual business owners. And if you have any questions, please put them down below. And so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first business that I'll be talking about to get into is doing physical products online. Okay, and so one way to do that is through things like Shopify, doing maybe even Etsy or even e-commerce, drop shipping, things like that. So for example, for Shopify, I just went to Shopify.com, and you can learn all you need to learn about this by going to this website and just kind of looking over it and seeing what it's all about. Find products to sell on Shopify with Oberlo, how Oberlo works, find products, free inventory, free of packaging, and then blah, blah, blah. So you'll see that there. So that's what I would recommend for you to do if you're interested in doing physical products, online. The next one that I would talk about in regards to this is one of my favorites. Is coaching and mentoring. This guy right here, this is how I got started into life coaching. His name is Tony Gaskins. Just went to TonyGaskins.com, and with him, he's a life coach, and you're able to book him. I just went book Tony, and here he does coaching engagement, speaking, and also general inquiries. Okay, I got, turned on to Tony back in 2017, I believe, and went through one of his courses, which was amazing, in which he taught me about life coaching, period, in which with life coaching, what's so cool about that is that you can do one-on-one coaching or even one-to-many, like in a group, you to a many amount of people, and it could be very lucrative for you, make a lot of good money for you. You can be all types of coaches. You can have a niche in coaching, but you can do relationship coaching, business coaching, finance coaching, women's coaching, men's coaching, marriage coaching, singles coaching. I mean, there's so many types of coaching that you can do, or even youth coaching, that you could do. And so that's something to be interested in. You could do it all from online. How I actually found out about how to do the stuff online is that these were our mentors, OL and Sway Buckley, six-figure earners, and how we met them is a good friend of ours was connected with, they were doing like a church. They were trying to help churches or church individuals in business, excel as married couples. So one of our good friends, reached out to us and said, hey, man, we got on a call with these guys, and they gave us some great nuggets. And it was just in meeting them, you need to talk to them. And so we ended up setting up a call with them through Zoom, you know what I'm saying, go figure, and got a chance to know them the first time, and they got a chance to know us. And we're like, yeah, we want to join this program. So we did a 6-month program with them, and it was so cool how it was structured that, we would meet, even my good friend, him and his wife, and people all over the world, people in Atlanta, people, all over the United States were connecting up together. And we had like lunchtime meetings that we would meet like once a week. And then we'd had assignments that we would do, and then we'd connect in like a different app like Slack. And it was just amazing. And then it ended up is that they coached us individually. They gave us one coaching session a week, and then they even had a mastermind event, one mastermind event where they met up with us in Dallas, but they live between Frisco, Texas and New York, and so we met them one time in person, and so that's how I got connected to coaching and mentoring. So very, very good people. But so that's coaching and mentoring. You can definitely charge a lot for that. The next one that I would say is digital products. This is another good one for me. This is Tony Gaskin's Academy. What I love about digital products is that you can have your digital product film. Let's say it takes you 10 hours to do a course, and you have it all laid out. And then you put it into put it into a course setting. Like, as you see here, this cost me $997. You put it in a course setting, and I'll let you see it broken down here. And it has, section number 1 tells you what it's about. Section number 2, you get the gist, and it has worksheets with it. He even gives you a full book with it, like a free or a PDF that you can download that has all this material, the different chapters in it, and so it's very awesome. It also costs, like he said, by $997. And so he also has a live coaching certification course that is actually, he does quarterly, that costs more. It's like $2,000 versus $997. But what I like about digital courses is that this once you set this digital course up, it's running on a platform for 24 hours a day. So anybody all over the world can get certified with this and actually do it on their own pace, on their own timing. They have the book, the curriculum, they have the assignments, and they can do it at their own pace. And so he could be sleeping, and somebody, like, for example, buys this course right now, and they can, start going through it, and bam, that hits his bank account. So that's an asset to him. And so this provides a lot of leverage. I myself love leverage because I have things that I feel like I'm called to do that I can't be tied down to a job. And this is a stream of income. He may be doing life coaching on the side, but this is another stream of income that he can have, as a course, to get paid from it. And it's all online. So I'm like, man, that is another good way to make money too as well. So that is what I have to say about digital products. Another one that I went through, because I know as one of the coachings that I talked about was financial coaching. I not only am certified as a life coach, but I'm also certified as a financial coach through Dave Ramsey's Financial Coach Master Training. And this, like the other one, Tony Gaskin's Academy, I love this one even better. And the reason why I love this one better is that it has, up here you see a dashboard, and the dashboard, has the same type of thing. It goes in an outline, and it shows you the different, different courses. It gives you the different overviews, and then you click on them and you have tests. It's very awesome. But with this Financial Coach Master Training, I paid like almost $2,000 for it, and you have it available to you for a year. And this was amazing because it not only taught you about financial coaching and mass training, but it also gives you resources that you coach to client, personal PDFs that you print out and you give your clients, Then it even has coaches resources that it gives you. And I really loved Dave Ramsey's Financial Coaching Master Training because it gave you a platform. It gave you all the tools that you need, all the PDFs that you need, because you got to know yourself. That's one thing about knowing yourself, is that how do I best operate? Do I like making my own templates, to be able to use in order to help people out? But with this, they didn't need to do all that. You know what I'm saying? They provided everything for you. They gave you the outline. They gave you the system. And then all you had to do was really plug in. And the other good thing that they even provided with this is a launch plan. Over here to the left, you'll see launch plan. With this launch plan, and I still have access to it, it taught me how to create coaching content, conduct consultations and scheduling, building a network of professional scheduling tools, so form submission tools, payment tools, virtual coaching tools, print material tools, email marketing tools, online presence tools. So this, they give you all this to help you launch your practice, to get it up and going. So I really love the financial coaching master training. And so financial coaching is something that I would recommend. And you don't really have to have a website. You could have a Facebook fan page, and I could show you how to, set up your, coaching and consulting and payments and all that good stuff. So that's that. All right. And the fourth and final one that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you promoting products that you believe in. You know what I'm saying? So have you, I use this example all the time. Have you ever went to the movies? You saw a movie that you liked. It was very awesome. And then all of a sudden you started recommending that same movie to a bunch of different people, because you were very excited about it. It's a very good movie. Then they go see it. Did you get paid a portion or a commission from them going to see what you recommended or what you promoted? No, I didn't get paid for it, And so that's pretty much what affiliate marketing is. You could do all types of things with affiliate marketing. Like, for example, here we have this guy. I just looked up reviews for Beats by Dre. This guy did a Beats by Dre Studio 3 review. And after he did a review and he says, save your money, he even gave you the option to go to see it at Amazon. And this is his affiliate link. So it doesn't cost you any extra to buy it from his affiliate link, but you click on it and he gets if you buy the Beats, the Dre 3 Studio Beats, he gets a portion of the commission of the sale of it. But again, it doesn't increase your price as the buyer at all, okay? And so he even did a full review here. He also said, subscribe to Sound Guy. So all this is his links, period, okay? And, he's got 170,000 subscribers. He's got people that are looking at this. 454,000 people have viewed it since he's put it up. And that's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? If you just had a portion of those people going in there and buying it, clicking on your link and checking it, and it seems like he's got, some good traffic over here. So it's pretty good. The last person that I would say in regards to another one is you can even do books, something as simple as book. I did E-Myth Revisited. He did the core message of what it is. On here, he's got his one-page PDF summary, the book link in order to buy it, his Amazon book link for you to buy it, and even a free audiobook trial. And that's his link in order for you to click on. So after the trial, if you continue to go with it, he'll get paid from it. So out of these four, the one that I recommend is affiliate marketing. Why do I recommend affiliate marketing? Because affiliate marketing, it's simple to get started, simple to grow. You earn as you learn, and it's a low startup cost. And so pretty much if you're interested in affiliate marketing, down below, if you click on the first link that I have down below, you'll learn more about how to, set up and create your own profitable business. Okay. So go ahead and do that, man. My name is Artiz Strouds, and I'm a life coach and entrepreneur. And if you like this, please hit the button below, smash the like button. Also, share this with one other person if this had benefited you. And please subscribe. And that's it, man. I look forward to dropping content Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.